Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial. Now I'm not sure if you can see right or if it's bright enough. Now I'm using my GoPro Hero Plus 3 and I can't see anything on my phone. I don't know if the quality is good enough, so well, let's try. Now the tutorial I'm going to do today is the side or turn signal mirror with these LEDs. Now I've already taken off my mirror, and yeah, it was quite easily because it's a Peugeot 406 2000 model almost. Now I'm going to show you the tools you're going to need. Now here are the tools. Oops. Now I like to use this one because this one is plastic and it's very good. Now I'm going to use this one on the glass so it's easy to take off. Now I'm not going to use any of these because I don't need them. Now I'm going to do some little bit talking first. Now what you're not supposed to use is these. If you use these are aluminium or metal. If you use these on your glass will probably break. And so yeah, be sure to use this. I bought this kit on eBay. I'm going to show you the link in the end of the description. Now using this to get the glass off. Now it's the easiest way to do it on the older car models. If you're going to do this on the new cars, it's probably much harder. Now this glass, it's a little bit hard to see, but this glass has a protected plastic around it, so I have to warm it up. Now I don't have proper warmer, but I'm going to use something else. Now I'm just going to heat this up, and that will make the glue a little bit warmer and it's easier to get off. Now I'm going to jump over a few seconds or minutes because this can take a little bit of time. So be sure. Alright, so we are back. Now I'm going to show you the LEDs you're going to need to do this tutorial. I'm also going to put the link in the end of the description on eBay. Now here are the LEDs. It's 12 volts, it's for car batteries and so on. Now you can see that it's very thin. Now the reason why is because it's going to fit underneath this glass. So let's go ahead and get this glass off. So I'm going to spoil over a little bit or make the video faster because this is going to take a little bit of time. Now remember, be careful, you do not want to do this the hard way because you may end up breaking the glass, and that's, I promise you, that's not fun at all. Alright, so we are back. Now I'm going to show you the LEDs you're going to need to do this tutorial. I'm also going to put the link in the end of the description on eBay. Now here are the LEDs. It's 12 volts, it's for car batteries and so on. Now you can see that it's very thin. Now the reason why is because it's going to fit underneath this glass. So let's go ahead and get this glass off. So I'm going to spoil over a little bit or make the video faster because this is going to take a little bit of time. Now remember, be careful, you do not want to do this the hard way because you may end up breaking the glass, and that's, I promise you, that's not that fun at all. Alright, again, hello everyone. Now I'm sorry about video mess. I have absolutely no idea where the clip of when I'm testing the light is. So I'm very sorry about that, so I'm going to do again. Now this is the product. I basically have now laid the LED plate underneath the glass. I have not used any glue or M3M tape yet, but I just want to show you how it looks like. So this is how it's going to look like when I'm So this is basically how it's going to look like when I'm testing the lights or when it's in the car and when I'm blinking. Now you can see that it's some marks in the mirrors. Now that is the heat cables, it's heatable mirror, so yeah. So that's the end of that video. Now, thanks for watching.